Hello everyone, today we are making heart. A very easy pattern I want to share with you today. Makes it nice size heart that can be used many different ways around the house. And we will be using t-shirt yarn and crochet hook 6 mm. We will be using magic loop or magic circle, and I want to show you how to use it very slowly. So I'm going to wrap the yarn around 2 fingers, insert my hook inside this loop, pick the working yarn like this, yarn over, and taking this through the loop, like making chain 1. This secures your magic loop or magic circle. And now we're gonna work inside this magic loop or magic circle, holding the tail over. We will be working over 2 strands of yarn, and then when we pull, it will reduce the center. That is the idea of magic loop or magic circle. Start by making chain 2 stitches and treble crochet. For treble, I'm going yarn over twice, insert the hook into the center, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. First treble is complete. I'm using US crochet terms. For UK crochet terms, it will be double treble. Make 2 more treble crochets. Three trebles, and now I will be making 3 double crochets. Double crochet, it will be 1 over yarn once, into the loop, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Make 2 more double crochets. T-shirt yarn. Okay, so I have made 1, 2, 3 treble, 2 doubles, and I'm making 1 more double. Chain 1, treble, I'm struggling here because the yarn is very thick at this point. It is recycled yarn, and sometimes the thickness varies. And this is exactly the center point of my heart. This treble is huge. Chain 1. Now we are going to repeat the pattern. So it will be 3 trebles, 3 doubles, and then 3 trebles. Make sure you work over those 2 strands of yarn. Second and insert 3 trebles. Let's see what we've got. Now you can see the difference between in thickness. Maybe different brand will work better. I bought this t-shirt yarn on eBay. I have to admit, quite cheap. And now we are going to make 3 trebles. One, one more, and one more. And your pattern nearly done. Now you need to make 3 chain stitches and secure in the center. Slip stitch right in the center. I prefer to take this loop on the other side. If you want, you can cut the yarn and finish this heart like it is. I know that it can be a keychain or some other decoration, but I want to show you how to make round 2. Round 2 will be just single crochets, so let's go with it. Don't lose your loop. Insert your hook into the second chain stitch. This is the stitch with double crochet, that is third stitch, and this is second chain stitch. Pull up a loop like this, and now making 1 single crochet in the third chain stitch, two single crochets in the next stitch, two single crochets in the next stitch. And sometimes I will give you a little tip how to make it look better. I can work in the back loop only, and it will make a big hole, large hole. You don't want this, so insert your hook into back loop and this third loop. You can do it in with t-shirt yarn pretty easy. Make 2 single crochets, especially when you are making 2 single crochets, it will look much better. You can see 5 single crochets. Again, you can go with 1 loop only, or you can insert your hook through back loop and third loop, making 5 single crochets. Fantastic. Chain 1, 1 single crochet, chain 1, you are right in the middle center point like this. It looks great with this front loop left. 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 2 single crochets in the next stitch, two single crochets in the next stitch, one single crochet and one slip stitch. So we started with second chain stitch and we finished with second chain stitch, and we have completed this pattern. So less than 15 minutes and you have created very nice heart. Pull the tail out, hide this in the next chain stitch, take this on the other side of your work, pull the center, secure your tails, make single or double knot, and now we can hide the tails going around magic loop. Just take the tails and I will go on the other side, taking this one. Working with t-shirt yarn, of course it requires some muscle in your fingers, but if you don't do it too much, if you don't do it the whole day, I think it's a good exercise for your fingers. Build up muscle. Of course, do some exercises afterwards, yeah. Look after yourself, look after your fingers, and you have created something beautiful. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Maybe check my other videos. I've got lots of fantastic projects for you to make.